welcome to my wedding!
Hello, madlang people! Mabuhay!
Una, career-oriented siya. Talino, graduate ng cum laude sa FEU. Tapos napakabait na anak, talagang tumutulong sa magulang, sa mga pinsan, sa lahat. Saka napakadiskarte lahat. Talagang gagawin niya para kung ano yung mga gusto niyang gawin, nagagawa niya. Determinado siya sa lahat ng mga bagay na gagawin. Yun yung pinaka-nagugustuhan.
Dear future wifey, ay taray, sana ini na gift ko magustuhan mo at deserve mo. At alam kong gusto mo na to, pero mas inuna ko pa din ang gusto mo. Kahit na alam natin na sira na yung phone ko, ha ha ha. Sana magustuhan mo yung gift ko. I love you. Char! Ano to? Is this true or box lang? Baka naman babayaran ko pa to.
Dear Dom, hope you like this simple gift of mine. Love, Margaret. Thank you.
We came from a very good family, friends. Both of our grandmothers are best friends. So, eventually, yung mother din namin, naging best friends din. And then, nung mga bata pa kami, nag-joke silang dalawa na, uy, pag silang dalawa na lang mag-end up together, and yun, dun kami nagkakalala. We came from same hometown. There are a lot of ups and downs sa relationship namin. There are a lot of bumpy roads, bumpy rides along the way. Di lahat happy moments, may mga sad ones. But we managed to get through it. We've been prepared for this for quite some time, and here we are now. See you later.
Your husband has something to give you. Your wife has something to give you that you cannot ever find anywhere else. Itong paghigugma na makakarawat na matigang itong imo asawa o itong imo bana. You do not equate that with things that you can buy off stores. You can put price tags on. Dara kay itungod na paghigugma, di ko itiya natutumpas sa libisan araw na kalibutan ng nabutang. I hope that you found it right in the person next to you, Dom in Margaret, and Margaret in Dom. He's a gift to you. The success of marriage is really in the unity itong mag-asawa.
Angelica, ito na yung pinakahintay natin na pangarap natin. Dati, nagpaplano lang tayo na, oh, paano kaya yung wedding? Ito na, final day na natin na magiging into boyfriend-girlfriend kasi magiging isang dibdib na tayo, magiging isa na lang tayo sa harap ni God. And alam ko naman na magiging happily married tayo kasi nandyan yung guidance ni God kasi siya yung magiging center ng pagmamahalan natin. Saka papasalamat ako na minahal mo ako ng totoo, na kahit ang dami kong flaws. And sa'yo din na yung pagkakamali ko talagang hindi naayos yung isang araw na hindi tayo nagkakaayos pag nag-away. Talagang nagiging sinisettle down natin na maging maayos. Yun, sobrang salamat sa lahat. Tsaka, mahal na mahal kita. Till death do us.
I'll say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do. and I will